Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video is all about a Porsche Boxster that we've upgraded with a new head unit, adding so much more functionality to the car. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. But remember, guys, we've also got the massive giveaway promotion at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 disc edition, plus a controller, plus an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier, so you guys can actually upgrade the sound in your vehicle. But let's get on with today's video. So the customer's coming to us looking to add more functionality into the vehicle, however retaining a lot of key features from the vehicle, and that's exactly what we've achieved. Customer was after adding in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as FACT digital radio, and we've achieved all of that plus a little bit more and installed to the highest possible standards. In the car currently, the car had the Bose sound system with the speaker upgrade. We can also do a Bose replacement, so we take out the Bose system a lot of the time and actually upgrade that as well in terms of the actual sound in the vehicle. However, this customer was only after adding functionality for the time being, so that's exactly what we've done. The new unit sits in there with a silver fascia panel. It looks really, really nice, looks pretty much stock. The touchscreen allows for a 7-inch screen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, plus we've also added a digital radio antenna which sits on the left-hand side of the front windscreen area. Plus, one thing that obviously this kit also allows for is hands-free and Siri Activation when you're using CarPlay. That normally involves having a microphone added onto the vehicle. However, it's not just stuck on top right side of the windscreen. What we've actually done is completely hidden that microphone and flushed that into the top panel, so you can't see a thing. However, it performs really, really nicely, and you've also got that added functionality. In terms of steering wheel controls, they've been retained for volume up and down, as well as seek for your music, skipping tracks and seeking between radio stations as well. So that's really nice. On the steering wheel, you've got still that functionality, but obviously on that new screen, new 7-inch screen, down at the bottom there, you've got a load more functionality like Waze, Google Maps, Apple Maps. All your maps can seamlessly go through directly onto the new screen. It's a really, really popular upgrade for us, and there's plenty of other videos on Porsche radio upgrades on our YouTube channel already, so make sure you go check that out. But remember, guys, we've got the massive 10K subscriber giveaway competition live already on our channel. Link for that is in the description below. But thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you soon.